Okay, this one is way too big for me, but let's try it out just to make sure it works. Because like I need to crack my back right now. Ah! Crack. Yeah. Yeah, see this 2 1/4 wide is for people up to like 225 pounds. But it still works. It's just not as aggressive for me. Hey everybody, this is Brett. And you know, a lot of my products have required persistence to be able to perfect them really well. To get every little thing glued perfectly, to get every joint to match up perfectly, to get the finish just right and totally natural, to get the latex or the rubber parts on there so that they're just really, really clean. I want to show you something. In fact, I'd like to show you a couple of things. Look at this roller. It's got a rubber piece on the tip now. That's, you know, just to make it look nice and I suppose for protection, not like these are ever gonna flip or anything. When you roll on these, they're rock solid on the floor. I've rolled on them on wooden plank sidewalks. But the way they adjust, how clean the rubber is installed now. I have yet to get this gap perfect, but I just don't think that that's going to happen. That's as close as it's going to get. But yeah, now I want to show you the foot friends. And how perfect they are now. Okay, so the corners, beautifully rounded. The dowel, pinned tight and clean. The sides, really, really nicely sealed, like a really good joint. Look at that joint. This is a product that's going to last for hundreds of years. And if it's used, it's going to heal a lot of feet, or a pair of feet a lot. Solid hardwood. I mean, it's a quality product. And now look at this. This is my next pair of shoes. Getting their sides put on. And if you want rock solid work, look at these shindigs being made. They have to be marked, then they have to be carved, they have to be finished, sanded and finished. It takes time and work to do this kind of work. It takes patience, okay? So if you're somebody that cares about your body and you want to work on it regularly and you want the best tools in the world, then you know where to go. Thanks for joining me.